So as you can see, the fluorescent lights in our bathroom are either completely out or going out, so I'm going to replace them with some new things. I've never really liked those old fluorescent tubes. They seem to go out really, really fast, but I also didn't want to replace the whole fixture, so decided to try these out. Each one is in its own cardboard sleeve, and I got the clear kind because of my light fixture, but there's also a frosted kind if your light fixture is more clear. It's really light. As you can see, the LEDs are in there, and it's got that same fluorescent tube connector, so let's put them up and see how they look. Before I do this, I do want to point out that when you receive these in the mail, there are protective things over the connections. I guess to keep them real clean, it's best not to get your oily fingers on those connections. Also, before I put them up, just wanted to point out that this is not glass, it's plastic, so there's actually less of a risk of them breaking as you install them.
So they install very easily. If you're familiar with the old fluorescent bulbs, you know just how they install, and yet these are much easier for some reason. They just slide in and turn and click in place. Unlike the old bulbs, which seem to never actually be firmly in position. These just kind of click in place easily and definitely.
And now the moment of truth. Let's turn them on. They do not turn on. What is the deal?
So as I researched it, reading comments and watching some videos online, I discovered that the old fluorescent tube bulbs need ballasts to convert the electricity or something. I don't have any idea how electricity works, so I had my dad help me convert the fixture to bypass the ballasts. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, like I don't, or you don't want to mess with converting your light fixture to work with these newer LED bulbs, you should probably just continue to buy the old fluorescent tubes. That being said, my dad understood that we simply needed to convert the fixture to bypass the ballast so that the hot wire fed one side of the fixture with electricity and the other side was wired with the neutral or something like that. Like I said, I'm not an electrician. However, if you have the ability to do it, I think it was definitely worth it. So after a while, we did figure it out and got it wired up correctly.
Get in.
Yeah. There we go. Moment of truth. Yep. Look at that.
It's bright.
It's bright. It's like 6,000 lumen ones too. And there we go. Nice and bright. Plenty of brightness in this room now. Probably even more so than before. I think the package says that they're 2,000 lumens and each bulb only runs off of 18 watts. So they're definitely going to be an energy saver over the fluorescent bulbs. So if you don't mind converting your fixture, I definitely recommend these. They're nice and bright. They're going to lead to energy savings. And I think it was worth the effort.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.